Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a highlighter comparison video. So I have two drugstore highlighters here that are quite new. I just wanted to put them to the test and compare the two together. One is more expensive than the other and I wanted to just see which one actually wore the best, lasted longer, and how the finish was. If you'd like to see the comparison between these two highlighters, then be sure to give the video a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed. So I obviously have all the rest of my makeup done. I've used all products that I have used so many times, kind of my daily products that I use every day, so I know that if there are any problems with any of the products then it's going to be the new ones, not anything I've used before, because this is all stuff I use daily. As you can probably tell from the title, two highlighters that I've got to test is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight and I've got the shade Molten Gold. So this is what it looks like. And I will include swatches and all that good stuff as well. I had this one longer than the new one. I haven't tried the other one at all yet. This is one of my favourite drugstore highlighters, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how this one turns out, which is the L'Oreal Crushed Foil Metallic Highlighter. And this one is in the shade Gilded Glow. Now these sold out so fast. This is the only shade I could get. Pretty similar shades. They're obviously both the gold kind. If there is like a champagne shade of this one, I might get it as well if I like it. So that's the two side by side. So the pan sizes are exactly the same, and I was just looking at the packaging. They are in the exact same packaging, so whoever does the packaging for both of the brands, they've used the exact same like plastic containers. They're the exact same clothes. They're exactly the same. But I'm going to use the same brush on both sides. I'm just going to clean it off in between. It's the same tool that I'm using, so it's not going to cause any issues. Cleaned it already and I'm just going to use my highlighter brush that I always use. And I'm not bothered which side I do any of the highlighters on. So, prices. So the Maybelline Master Chrome retails for $7.99. That is the Superdrug price. The L'Oreal Highlight retails for $12.99. So this one is more pricey, but they're in the same containers like I said, so I'm assuming they have similar amount of product, but obviously from knowing the brands, Maybelline is slightly more affordable than L'Oreal. They're more of a pricey drugstore brand. I think I'm going to do the Maybelline on this side and then I'll do the L'Oreal on that side. I'm going to try them both dry first to start off with and see how that goes. So I'm going to do, so I've swirled it around 3 times and I'm going to do the same for that one. I'm not going to tap off any, there's a lot I've picked up. So like I said, I've used this, I use it all the time, but I haven't compared it to the other one. It sinks into the skin so nicely. It doesn't just sit on top. I love this highlight. Like I said, I've been using this for a few weeks now. What it looks like, so nice. And if you look straight ahead, you can't see like a stripe at the top where the highlighter is sitting, so that shows that it's a good shade. So that's right. I was worried that this is quite a dark gold compared to the Maybelline one, so I didn't know if it's going to leave a stripe on my face, which I'm slightly concerned about, but we should be okay. So that is one. I'll top it up after. I just want to test out the other one. So like I said, I'm going to clean off my brush. Like I said before, I haven't tried this one. I've only tried the Maybelline one. So again, it's picked up quite a lot. It does look like a lot more of a darker gold than the Maybelline one. So let's try them out. Okay. All I'm seeing on my face is glitter. Oh my god, that's so glittery! Oh, okay, I don't think I'm gonna like this. Okay, that looks nice on camera, but that is just pure glitter. Oh my god, it's glitter. And like I said, that is so dark. Look at that. You can see the stripe, it's so dark, but it's so glittery. I don't know if you can see. Can you see like it's emphasized all my texture like above it? Like that's, I know that's what highlights do, but that side doesn't do it. That side's sunk into the skin really nicely, but this... Look at that, you can see all my texture. Look at that. Yeah, no. Alright, so not the biggest fan of that, and you can see, like I said, I knew this was a darker shade. You can see that on my face. I'm gonna try and kind of blend over it just with a clean, fluffy brush. And see if it buffs it in anymore and takes away any of the glitter. You can still see it, it's still a stripe. So that's a flop pretty much for that. So yeah, I'm going to stick with the Master Chrome. And to be fair, if you look at them both in the pans, you can see how glittery the L'Oreal one is. But I thought that, because on the Maybelline one you can see it's a bit glittery, but when you apply it there is no glitter, it's just a really nice sheen. Whereas this one, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can just see all that glitter just in the pan. Oh my god, that is not cute. Okay, we're going to carry on testing it, and we're going to try it wet now and see if that makes any difference. Don't know if it will, but we're going to try. So I've cleaned off my brush again. Try adding it over top. So I'm just going to spray it with some spray. I've done 2 sprays on there. And let's try again. Oh, this is even nice. I've never tried this wet actually. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. This Maybelline highlight makes me so happy. Let's try one more time. Please be okay. Please take away the glitter. No, 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 we're still glittery. It looks so intense on camera and it looks great, but the second you just zoom in, look at all that texture. It looks like a stripe. It looks like I've got a burn on my face. Like, it just looks so chunky, and no, we don't like this. Okay, I'm gonna go fix this side of my face because that is... No, 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 no. Okay, so I have cleaned up the mess on that side of my face and I've applied the Maybelline one all around. So, like I said, I've cleaned up my face and the Maybelline one has saved the day because I can't see a stripe on my face anymore, so thank god for the Maybelline one. I'm quite disappointed in that L'Oreal highlight because I was so excited to try this out. I really was. Like, to be fair, from swatching it, I don't know, because like from swatching it, it doesn't look too bad. But it was just when I applied it on the skin, I was like, oh, no, no, no. Anyway, final thoughts. Don't like this. This was a waste of $12.99. I'm just really sad about it because I love L'Oreal as a brand so much. I like some of their products are literally like holy grails to me and I love them. But oh my god, what the heck? Like, what is this? I don't know if I got a bad one and I've just got one that's full of like chunky glitter. I don't know. I don't know if the champagne shade, like the lighter shade, is any better than this. If any of you guys have tried it, please let me know because I want to know if it's just mine. And I'm sad because I really wanted to love this. I thought that the best new drugstore highlight was around, but it's not. So at least I've got to test it and I can show you guys, well, you saw how bad that looks on my skin. Obviously, if you have a deeper skin tone than me, then this isn't going to leave a stripe like it did on me, but I'm too light for this shade of gold. Like I did say at the start, I know it was slightly dark, but this is the only shade they had and I did want to test it. But the shade has nothing to do with how much chunky glitter there was in there, so there's no saving that. This guy, the Maybelline Master Chrome, is still the best for me. I have been using this for over a month now. Freaking love it, okay? Like I said, it's $7.99, a lot more affordable than this one. There's no chunky glitter. It's gonna look like a beautiful sheen on your skin. It's gonna look chunky, it's gonna look really nice like that, like the sun is naturally hitting your cheekbones, you know? And this you can actually blend, and when you blend it in, it will sink into the skin and won't look chunky like this one did. Anyway guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm kind of sad about this video now because I really wanted to like that L'Oreal highlight, but as always, I'm just going to be completely honest. on my channel and I don't like it. But don't get me wrong, if any of you guys have this and you love it, then that's, you know, that's absolutely fine. That's really good. Like, I'm jealous because I really wanted this to work for me, but it just hasn't. Maybe this will look really nice all over the body, I don't know, like for a night out. I do like highlight my body sometimes when I go out, so that, I might try that actually. Still gonna try it a couple more times, maybe apply it differently, use a different brush, try and blend it a bit more. I'm just gonna try a few more things before I just give this away or just, you know, bye-bye to it. Also, I quickly just want to add, I know I haven't uploaded just like a makeup tutorial in a while and I kind of miss it. I really do. Like when I was doing my makeup today for this video, I was just like, I wish I could just film it. But I do have a very good full-blown drugstore makeup tutorial coming very soon. I think I'm just gonna do, I've got my favourites video for the month coming up on Friday, so probably Monday will be the makeup tutorial will be coming back. So thank you again so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts if you've tried any of these. If you love this as much as I do, let me know, as I always say. Also, be sure that you're subscribed to my channel if you aren't already, and give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So oh my god, I didn't realise I was still filming. Ooh, crap.